could see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb, I'm from Oakland.
So one of the first things about welding is you just need to be comfortable.
Yeah.
So I think this is probably like a good position.
Mm-hmm.
Start at the top, hit this,
The corner.
hit the corner, and then like however you want to do it. Everybody says their way is the best, but like you can just do straight zigzags. So like going back and forth like this.
Mm-hmm.
You can do loops.
Mm-hmm.
Where you like kind of go back over itself.
Yeah.
And then like on the tacks that already exist, just do like a little bit, just go a little faster.
Okay. And it doesn't matter the duration of time that I'm running it?
For the most part, as long as you keep moving.
Okay.
So like this is gonna keep feeding.
But I'm saying as far as that goes, it doesn't matter if I run it for like 20 seconds
Yeah, no, it's
straight.
just gonna keep feeding at a continuous rate.
All right, cool.
So you wanna keep about that much distance between the nozzle and the,
Okay, so not actually touching, but just kind of like if I...
Yeah, you don't want this part to touch.
Okay, so just the
Just
rod.
that distance. And again, the rod is going to keep feeding in. So you think like a hot glue gun?
Yep.
Same thing.
Okay. All right, first weld, here we go.
Yeah, so what happened there is this ended up touching that while it was going, and it ended up, actually, let me clean this out.
Okay.
So when this touches, what ends up happening is like, it can actually kind of sort of weld to the surface.
Right.
You can like use two hands and like put your
elbows in
your ribs a little bit.
Okay.
It's not terrible. I've seen worse. You went a little fast.
Okay.
So here, let's come around to this one real quick. And just watch what I do, and you'll kind of get an idea for the person. And like how much you should move and stuff like that.
Okay.
And you can also kind of like do like one of these things to brace yourself.
Okay.
So you see how like I wasn't moving out of the puddle until
Yeah. I was just zooming through it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also my like the actual movement, the weave is a little bit tighter as well. But so what we can do, because like this is porosity.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's so hot. These little holes are porosity, so that's where like
Rust
just
and
shit's gonna get in there. So let me just
Yeah.
go through it and cover it up real quick.
So like always flap that down.
Right.
Yeah.
Vertical. Yeah, that was pretty good. It like skipped right at the end.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily.
So I could go back over that.
Yeah, you can go back over that little, just a little hole if you want. That's a weld. You did your first weld. So now if you want to go through and do that one.
bad.
Pretty good.
Okay.
So then, if you want, just go through and do all these corners all the way around.
Okay. I guess I was
that
a
one
little
was
too
a little
far
fast.
away. Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
So just do the same thing.
Mhm.
Like match that same speed.
Okay.
Sorry. Dude, that looks super fucking good. You're already better than I am.
Oh no, dude. Nah, dude. Well, let me jam to go deal with this motor.
I'll finish up all the welds and shit on Wednesday,
Okay.
and then that way it's ready for you to take to LA next weekend.
I watched your video this morning.
Which one?
This morning with all the
Oh, had Jalen up in there.
kind of like was dozing in and out, but I'll watch.
Mm-hmm.
Ponder it.
Yeah.
And then pull it back.
All right, cool.
It looked like it was doing the job.
Yeah, for sure. A little bit.
It's not that bad. It's just a small.
Hmm.
Almost like we need to
Big good boy.
have up there in a black. What's that Harbor Freight special?
Hell yeah. Does work. Look at it.
It used to be black. Look at that. Alright. I'm gonna put your motor up here for now.
Okay, we'll just put this up here.
My wife will she'll wash it. Usually, like, this is the net. It starts. Doesn't sound like it's missing either. Yeah, that will fall down.
Mm-hmm.
So you, that's how you gotta do it. The weight of the motor is being held up by that plate right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good way to stress me out, bud. Alright, so we're taking apart our first rotary. Kind of exciting, kind of stressful, but either way it goes, the worst I could do is fuck it up, and we have to replace it with some rotor housings that are over there. So those are loose, and then just pull it all up.
Yep.
Alright,
Well, get them all the way out. All
okay.
Weird sound.
Oh,
Are you talking to me or the camera?
All right, so I'm gonna put all but one in there.
Leave one on the side, but take it out. Just leave the bolt on the side.
Leave the bolt right here. Ooh.
And then there's more thrust bearings. Those ones are really just because of like.
Well, I don't wanna. So yeah, just.
One.
Mm-hmm.
There you go, that's all of them. So this is the main bearing, this is the thrust holder, and then that was the thrust bearing.
Okay.
And then just put one back in. That's it. You don't have to like zap it off.
Yeah, just get it snug. All right.
Upside down, flip it over, it'll slide out.
Okay.
Alright, let's flip the bitch on this thing, and then... Usually happens all the time. So, we want this part over here, and then this part over here.
Okay. So.
I'm gonna bring it that way, yeah. Let's bring it that way. We want this part over here, and this part over here. Lift it up. Now you're gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna make sure it doesn't slide on the wood, because it always slides on the wood.
Oop.
That's why everybody doesn't understand.
Watch your wrist.
There it is. Now, we'll zap that guy off.
What's
Grab
that?
a
The
socket,
54.
2 1/8.
Yeah.
Where do I put that socket? Is it out here?
I don't see it. No. Okay, that wrist.